they were, explaining people how to be an entrepreneur by building an e-commerce site, And the first topic of it was something like a choosing platform.
Choose your platform.
And choose technology-wise, which is the platform that you must choose, in order to build your online business. And I was posting something like that. The first technology software that you need to choose is Excel.
Excel.
Exactly.
Right.
This is exactly what it's gonna tell you if you have a business or not, and then
Right.
you do whatever,
right. Right. Plan out your numbers, run your numbers, see if you have profit margin, those types of things.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly.
I love it.
Because maybe the model doesn't, but having an e-commerce site as a goal, it's nice. But if it's not making money, why to build it, man?
Right.
Why to build it? I'm gonna be very happy of building your site, but did you make your numbers? Is the
Right.
acquisition
Right.
plus the cost of the product and the operation cost,
Right.
giving you a positive number, and then at what level, which is the price, competition,
Right.
stuff like that.
Right.
This is Excel everything.